I walked. I called her back here.
Probably, yes. Well,
Yeah, but I got my terrible phone.
that's all right. Island in the middle there. My friends wanted me to check on down on when we come back Eversham Way. They say 65-year-olds are there as of 50 minutes ago, right before I got on the
Still there?
They were still there as of 50 minutes.
You call them? Tell them.
Well, I don't have any service out here now. It's dead. They said Eversham Way, which I know how to get to once we get through this area and make sure there's no one left to pick up here. But yeah, they said Mary and Tamarillo. Holy crap, look at that. White top.
Yeah.
But maybe they picked them up already. Oh, yeah. So you guys decided to come out here?
Yeah, I got tired of sitting at home. Couldn't sit there anymore knowing this was out here and we had a boat. So we decided to come on out. It's crazy.
How long have you lived in Kingwood?
20 years. Never seen it like this before, but 20 years.